Does your Traeger pellet grill have a problem holding the correct temperature? In this short video, I'll show you one of the main problems causing the temperature to drop during cooking, and not counting when you have to occasionally open the lid. Once the startup process is complete, I'll set the temperature to 375. And after about 8 to 10 minutes, it should reach the set temperature. It all looks good now, but I've seen it drop way below what I've set it for even with the lid closed. And I can see that it's happening today. It reached about 375 degrees, but for some reason the temp has dropped to around 325. And at times it drops even more. One of the first things to check is whether the fan is running. This fan provides airflow to the firebox where the pellets are burning, but chances are there won't be an issue with this. The main cause that my Traeger can't hold a set temperature is because of debris inside the firebox. I'll show you what I mean. So let's take out the grate and the drip tray. And just so you know, checking the firebox should be part of your deep cleaning routine to keep the grill running efficiently. At this point you'll need a vacuum, which does sound kind of weird for cleaning a barbecue grill. But here's why. That's because burning pellets leave sawdust all over the inside of the enclosure. And this sawdust accumulates over time. You can see how much is on top of the auger cover. The real problem that temperatures drop while the grill is running is because the firebox gets filled with sawdust. I can see there's a good ½ inch in there. This needs to be removed because as the sawdust builds, it blocks airflow and limits the number of pellets that can enter the chamber. But vacuum this out gently to avoid damage to the igniter. I recommend checking this after every 3 to 4 times you use the Traeger, or more often if needed. And while you're at it, inspect the temperature sensor. If it's dirty, wipe it with a piece of steel wool to remove any stuck-on debris. And finally, take a peek at the chimney for anything that can block airflow. Whenever I find my Traeger pellet grill having problem maintaining temperature, I know that the firebox has too much sawdust in it. And a good vacuuming fixes it for me every time. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.